Trading is a lot of work, a lot of money, a lot of fame.
Guys, now let's be more serious. What is the results? Let's find out. Hello everyone, I'm Pablo and I will show you what I've done in the past 22 years, okay? All in traders, that's what we all call it. But why? Guys, we are not dumb. All in is not about the risk. Saying that, I mean we are focused on education, process, and then at results and earning profits. That's what we are all about. I have been here in the market for 16 years. Now I have multiple companies and business, and I will show you how someone from nowhere can achieve all of this. Now we are starting big here because I will show you everything from January to December. Before we start our 1 year adventure packed up in a few minutes, remember to subscribe to this channel. You will thank me later for this. I can promise you that you will get extra things like a big amount of knowledge which we will be sharing with you here on this channel. We'll talk about many things like what can help you on the forex, stocks, futures market in our own series as the trader. There is no question which we cannot answer, okay? And that's not all. You will see every month summaries, so you will know what kind of trader I am. Last year was not only a busy year, but a year full of amazing achievements. For quite some time, we have been building an incredible community in this financial market world. There are over 1,500 people who are working with us, okay? And this is perfect time to mention that on this channel I will show you how they are doing on the market and what results they are getting. Why? So you can see how this mutual cooperation is working for each of them. Together we have been through education, growing, gaining skills and experience, and this led them to impressive results. In this year 23, we are going beyond the borders of Poland and we are starting our mentoring program worldwide. We are proud of our live trading session. This is something we do on daily basis, several sessions every day where we are showing for a few hours how we are trading, what investing decision we are making and why. This is live. Everything you see we are doing on our accounts. And you know what? You can do exactly the same and earn with us. This is how we roll. This is time to work with us and start your own path. And guys, it's time to start summary. The first thing we will see is all days in green and red, and the conclusion to be drawn here that not every day is at profit. The red color means that a particular day there was a loss, and you need to know and remember that losses are part of this business, okay? Remember that. Now a brief overview of the individual months from January 21k, February 12k, March 103k, and below you can see what the results were on specific days of the month. Next, April 273k, May 233k, June 158k, July 268k, and here we are, August 707k. So fucking awesome month. I also must say it, I spend a lot of time in front of the charts, okay? Like all day from 7 AM to 10 PM. After that, I get chill for the rest of the month. And in September, 303k, October, 146k, November, 152k, December, 199k. And guys, altogether gives the results 2 million. And 580,000 bucks. Of course, I am extremely proud and pleased with myself. Guys, let's jump in. few details from this results, more than 1,300 decisions. So this is not one opportunity that worked, but systematic work, okay, every day. The efficiency was 63%, and I know many of you guys are looking for a strategy that has 100 success rate, but you will have to take my word for it that it doesn't matter, okay? And I will make a material about it soon. Yeah, that will be a great thing. In this report is something like average losing and winning trade. This is like risk to reward relation, but remember that it must be healthy. If it's like 1-to-1, you have to focus on setups which you are takes, okay? And if it's reversal and you are losing more than earn, that's it's time to stop trading, bro, and work on money management. I have traded in many instruments, but mainly currencies. The Euro USD, as you can see, did the biggest job, more than 800,000 profit. Let's see details. And first, long position 190, decision made 204k, and then short position 166 decision and made 812,000 profit. The conclusion is obvious. In the year 22, the game of dollar gaining strength after all was the key.